Fredericksburg, Texas was settled right in 1845, and it was in between two creeks, and it was on consignment on a land deal. It was named after Prince Frederick of Prussia, and it kind of just became a German ground to escape poverty and to come to a place with perfect weather year round. Now, 19th century, nothing really happened until about 1961 when Lyndon B. Johnson flew him and the German chancellor here to talk treaties. In 1963, once he became president, Fredericksburg was on the map. Now, if you're in Fredericksburg, you want to do a couple things. It's known for wineries, breweries, antiquing, and you start to find out that the old rural farm culture turns into chic Texas Hill Country repurposing, and nothing shows that better than Blackchalk Home and Laundry. Let's go check it out right now. Hey guys, we are in Fredericksburg, Texas at Blackchalk Home and Laundry. This is Candy. Thank you so much for meeting with us.
Absolutely.
So this is such a great location. We're in Fredericksburg. We're right off the strip, main strip, right?
We are.
And I know it has the word laundry in the title, but we don't do laundry here, right?
We do not. This used to be a commercial laundry vat years and years ago. And the building wound up sitting vacant, and the people that owned the building decided to fix it up, and we moved in 3 years ago.
And we still have the pieces to do laundry, right? From the early 1900s.
We kept as much of the original equipment as we could, including the inside of the building. We kept all the pulleys that ran all the machines, and as much of the history as we possibly could, just like most of Fredericksburg.
And now, what do we focus on?
Now we focus on home decor. So we are a custom furniture shop, and we have great vintage rugs from Turkey, from Morocco, and different pieces that we found from Jill's travels all over the world.
So you travel the world and you bring back pieces.
Yes, yes. Our shop owner, Jill Elliott, she loves to travel. It's a passion of hers. And so she's been to Kenya, she's been to Morocco, she's been to all kinds of places, and she brings back pieces of her travel to bring to Fredericksburg.
So who's your typical client? It's all over Texas, isn't it?
It is. When we started out, it was a lot of our locals that really kind of kept us going, and now we have a following from people all over. It's been fantastic. It's a lot of fun.
So what is the goal for the business?
The goal is to keep growing, just to keep providing beautiful things for everyone's home. To make each piece into something that they will treasure and love as much as we do.
So you told me about the rugs and some of the pieces. Tell me about the furniture.
The furniture is all American made. It is made by a company named Rowe, which is out of North Carolina, and the furniture is all handmade in Virginia and ships directly to us, and we can customize every piece.
So is it custom material, custom sizing? What is it?
A little bit of both, yes. Always custom materials, custom finishes as far as your legs and your nail heads, all of that can be changed and customized. And yes, most of the couches, the sizes can be changed on them. You can make chairs swivel, you can make them rock. You can
I love it. I love it.
Like.
It's such a great look. As soon as I walked in, it gave me such an inviting, it was a great feeling walking into the business. It really did.
That's what we want. We want everyone to feel at home.
Tell me, describe the style.
The style is kind of a modern eclectic. We love things that are unique, but things that are clean line, or things that tell a story, things that you just can't find just anywhere else.
And you can't. I'm looking around and it's just so special, so different, so custom looking. I love it. So really, to get custom furniture, to get something that you can't find anywhere else, come to Fredericksburg, Texas, and get yourself, all custom furniture. That's it for this week on The American Dream. We'll see you next time.